Because every little thing is gonna be alright. What are you saying? Oh my goodness. See, this is going to go onto YouTube. It will be very... YouTube, it is very good. Ah.
Wait. You can stop this if you want to.
Right? I can press stop any time that I need.
Right now, I'm not looking too shabby, my brother.
See, to tell you the truth, I just look like a fat man. I cannot do many things.
Hold it. Let me see that.
Hold on, I want to look at my eyeballs. There's this. Hold on. Oh, this has started. Yeah. Phase 1 has been initiated. I'm sorry. Here.
Rotation.
Oh, there you go, man.
There it goes.
You listen here, man.
There it goes.
There you go. You see here, man. Hey, your voices. Now. Oh, Marty, I want to be a dancer. That's a normal Jewish family.
What are you doing? I tell you, do not cough so hard. You will get hurt.
Thank you very much. Hey, what are you... Oh, look at that. You have learned how to smoke like a genius. Every little thing.
The paper's so thin.
Alright.
The other one just got paper on it, right?
You're right. Hold on, you can't see my tattoo. Hold on, people gotta see it. Tattoo of a fat guy. Every little thing. What do you mean, man? Why would you toast this to me? You are just so rude. Don't you know that I've been working for a very long time on an element?
So I gotta meet him.
He's nice.
He's nice?
Yeah.
Who are we talking about? Grandpa or your dad?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, I fucked that up. I meant your boyfriend or... I'm fucking high.
where's your phone?
What phone, man?
I'm just... I want to get out that apartment, so...
Oh, you should check out this.
Yeah, we had duplex, but they told me my dad got a felony.
Oh.
So you don't want to move this in. I was like, what?
I got to contact her already.
You did?
Yeah.
Ready?
Good. Love you. We're at 2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Give it to me.
Oh, I gotta make more faces, man. I gotta be thankful for the internet, man.
You got the boy?
Just trust. It's a smoke rainbow. 420.
Rotation.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I was smoking, man.
Oh, really?
I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna call somebody else to get like another 15.
Listen, you just need to trust me. They have been working for a very long time. You know what? I could name this voice. I will call it Akolf. It's like Adolf, but I'm coughing. Akolf. It's good.
Do you even know what you're talking about right now?
What other voices can I do?
You can do that Soviet Russian.
In Soviet Russia. Oh, I do sound good. Well, let's pretend I have mustache. In Soviet Russia.
Well, let me ask you a question. Do you remember that on Dragon Ball Z, and it was fighting Cell, and big dude came out.
Boo?
No.
Well, I was like, man, Boo
It
was
was fighting
shit.
Cell. Dude, well, I think his phone's not working. I don't want to call Gay Tyler though.
Gay Tyler? It's Gay Jimmy.
Gay Jimmy, Gay Tyler, same thing. Fucking gay bitches.
Oh, good. So hi.
You getting them numbers on?
I don't know, he's dirt, but an idea. Are you this dude?
What are you talking about? No, but I guess it's
I wonder what it's like to be a lizard. Have you ever thought of that? I'm sorry. Here's what happens, man. When I get high, my emotions of what I want to say, like, you know how you think in your head? Okay, there's images that you can't, like, show people because you're like, no, I can only talk about one thing at once, man. You know what I'm talking about? Just say yeah. Okay. So, the images in your head, man.
Just smoke it, yo.
Dude, I'm sorry. I'm too, like, what are we talking about, dude?
Smoke it.
You know what? I love watching anime. It's so good.
I told you, bro.
Okay.
You always been watching anime, but I explored your brain to anime to the next level. Now you become a champion. Champion So you good, bro? How you feel right now?
Oh my God.
You okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no. Now sit here with Dr. Felt. Oh, that's the wrong voice. Hold on. Rex there. Yeah, I'm getting cookie. God damn it, Betty. My fellow Americans. I.
God damn it, Bettis.
Hold on. I'm hold on. This is too deep of a voice. I'm just too high. I can't control where it's going. It's like they're pulling on the strings, man. It's like deep voice with Obama, and I'm like, deep voice Obama. Or I could fuck up and be like, hi, voice Obama. Hey. I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Oh man.
Can't wait to open my business, man. I feel like Wolverine. I'm gonna talk like Batman.
Actually, both of them. That man talking about gay. You get the message. Did you? You see the Batman?
Oh shit, we're at 7 minutes. I'm gonna stop it at 7:30. Give me a second.
You see?
Shh, I gotta focus.
Wait, you gonna focus?